Technology dares the world to imagine. Innovation lets imagination change the world. Every revolution in industrial production methods altered the course of an era. Punch presses as the industrial mother machine are being redefined in the wave of intelligent innovation. Kinglan profoundly empowers manufacturing, specializing in metal forming, creating more possibilities for industrial diversity. Punch presses based on the world's top manufacturing and inspection standards are a perfect embodiment of our outstanding production capabilities. With complete control over the entire independent production supply chain, from raw materials to complete machines, from parts to components, we achieve precise control over the entire manufacturing process. We can offer customers the most reliable quality assurance. We believe that the value of punch presses lies not only in the presses themselves, but also in helping customers in the face of rapidly changing market demands maintain a continuous and robust competitive advantage. We create comprehensive smart solutions to help customers achieve digital enterprise management and stimulate production efficiency. With professional and timely service and supply feedback, we earn the trust and choice of customers. To this end, we conduct an in-depth research on industry demands and developments, not only providing production solutions and improvements to customers to reduce costs and increase efficiency, but also aligning strategically with customers, walking hand in hand with them. Relying on a global trade hub network, we have established a strategic pattern of serving the world's manufacturing industry by building marketing and service networks at home and abroad and maintaining close operation with thousands of manufacturing customers. Kinglan has become the preferred supplier for leading domestic home appliance companies and automotive brand manufacturers in increasing production and establishing overseas plants. Times are ever-changing and full of challenges, but our vision and responsibility remain constant. Kinglan Machine Tools always adheres to a high-end product positioning, practices the business philosophy of integrity as the foundation, service as the priority, helps upgrade the manufacturing industry, and propels the value escalation of the industrial chain, becoming the core driving force advancing the development of punch presses in China.